Okay, today we're going to cook this delicious yet simple medallion tofu. So first, let's get some sauce ready. You want to pre-mix sauce to save some time when you're cooking later. Use these ingredients on the screen here and mix these ingredients really well. Let's not forget to put a little bit water in there because you do want to have plenty of sauce to cover every single pieces of tofu. Okay, now you can set it aside. Now let's get the tofu ready. I prefer to use firm tofu here because it's much drier and it will stick together real nicely. Now let's also peel some ginger and slice that. You see I have a giant green onion here. So if you cannot find this big green onion, you can use a 3 to 5 smaller onion. That would be the same. Slice the tofu to thin slice. When you do it this way, it's easy to fry and cook on both sides. Set this tofu aside. Now, let's get some all-purpose flour ready. And then add a little bit of salt in there and also a few shakes of white pepper. This will add some base flavor. When you actually have this dry powder cover the tofu, it won't stick to the bottom. Bring the wok to high heat, then put cold oil in there. Then put the tofu in there after you put the dry powder on the outside. And don't flip the tofu too soon. Allow that 3 to 5 minutes to cook. This way it won't stick to the bottom. Use medium heat here. And then about 3 to 5 minutes, shake the wok real gentle, then you can see nothing stick to the bottom. Now you can flip them. Look at that beautiful color. After you flip all of this, add a little bit more oil in there because the first batch oil get all absorbed. Do the same thing, allow it 3 to 5 minutes to cook, then shake it. Now let's put the green onion and the ginger in there. Now we want to cook the green onion and ginger for a very short time. You don't want to have it too soft. Go ahead and flip it a little bit. And careful, don't break the tofu. Now the pre-mixed sauce comes handy. Put it in there and give it about 2 minutes on low heat because you do have starch in there. You want to allow the cornstarch to cook and all the ginger and green onion kind of softened. Now serve it. Now enjoy this delicious vegetarian medallion tofu.